Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the tumbling box rotary shredder. These things, I've seen a few videos of these, look pretty cool. Let's check it out, see how well they work here, shall we? Okay, right on top. Looks like we have some instructions here. All right, it's got suction on the bottom, a little crank right here. Okay. Pull that out, okay. Some good wrapping, good packaging here. Watch out for the blades on this, is rather sharp. Oh wow, that's cool, okay. And then we have all the little attachments. Oh no, I opened it up wrong. That's cool though. It has a sweet little, let's see, it goes this way? No, this way, okay. Had them all dumped out. Very convenient there. We just throw those all in there like that. How do these switch out? Let's see here. It says little arrows there. Is there a locking mechanism on here? Do we turn this? I don't want to have to read the instructions. Who reads instructions, right? It looks like it'll just pop up. Let me look at this one here. Oh, sharp blade. Has a little tab there. Okay. That tab. Okay, so probably this pulls out. And then, okay, there we go. Good thing I didn't try to force that up, so that's cool. It just goes in there like that and pops into place, and then that pulls out just like the arrows are pointing. And I was like, okay, very cool. Well, we have some cheese, and so I'm going to shred that. I wonder what this one is here on here right there. Obviously, be very careful with this, guys. It's super sharp. So we're going to go get the, let's go down, face down like that. I think, yeah, some cheese shredder ones there. Let's just pop this out real quick. Put this in there. That's pretty convenient. I'm going to go wash this real quick. And I got some cheese. And try to shred that so it's ready to go. Okay, let's take care of that right now. I think we just rinse this off real quick. Get right back. All right, all washed and ready to go. So this just slides in there like that. So you want to take this out. This is super easy to clean. Just hit this button on the side. That just slides out, and you can just go wash this out. Probably dishwasher safe. I just rinsed it out real quick. Some soap and hot soapy water. Works really good there. Okay, imagine this just feeds right up into there. Looks like it. Oops. It screws into the end there. So push this through, and then just put that on there and screw it down. Okay. So far, so good. Seems rather simple. Now we have a suction here on the bottom. So let's see. Looks like that's going to lock it into place. So this table's a little, it's not perfectly smooth. So I'm going to see if it's going to stick on there or not. So just push it down. Okay, that's impressive. Like I said, this table is not like super smooth. It's got some little tiny like stuff in there. Got a little bowl for my cheese. Ugh. All right, so with ones like this, you have to hold it and like kind of scrape it up and down. It's difficult. A lot of times it moves around. And sometimes you got to be super careful that you don't scratch your knuckles or anything like that. So out with the old, in with the new. Let's give this thing a shot here. Have this this cheese we got, and it's kind of just been like clumped together, and we try to shred it, and it just kind of smears. So I'm hoping that I'll give this a shot and see how this works here. Okay. Get our cheese here. Man, this cheese is really sticky, so I'm not sure if this is going to work or not on here. I'm going to try, but yeah, just kind of, it's like, it's shredded, but then it just kind of like goes together. So really good cheese though. Anyway, so usually we'll put this on the top, and let's just see if we can't, okay. That's definitely easier than, just gotta watch your fingers. Put this back on top there. Wow, that is really cool. Let's get the, check this out here. So it's pushing some nice cheese through there. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, that is, I am impressed. Just kind of just all spills out in there. Look at that. That is really excellent. I am super impressed. Okay, when I was using this, I was trying to, it was just smearing all over the place, getting smeared on there. I had to be really careful not to skin my knuckles, and it was taking me, it was very time consuming. This, look at that. You got our cheese is already shredded. It's nicely, looks really amazing. And that was super easy, no problem at all. So we're actually making pizza. I'm gonna go get this over there for the pizza, and then we'll shred some other stuff here real quick. All right, well, that was the shredder. I'm just kind of excited to try out all these. I like how this is one solid piece, so it feels pretty solid. Just rinsed out this real quick. The cheese is, this thing is a lot easier to clean than that other blender I had. Let's try out the different blades here. So I think this one is like a chopping one. Just simple as that. You just set it on here and just snap it into place. It's really cool. Let's lock this in, just like that. The thing about this is super user-friendly. Just push that in. Dun-dun. There we go, and screw it down. All right, just like that. Now, yeah, I'm just gonna work on some stuff here. I got cabbage. I got carrots, I got some cashews and almonds here. So I'm gonna try this one out and see kind of what it does here, this blade. So, okay, let's just put the carrot in and, oops, forgot to lock it down there. Get our little press thing on top, and here we go. Looks like this does like, kind of like little square chunks there, so that's cool. Yeah, look at that. It's like these little little pills there. That's cool. I wonder, let's see, I wonder which one of these blades is like the grinder there one, or the chopper for the nuts. I think this one like juliennes them. I'm gonna try this one. Let's see a little bit what this thing does with like a cucumber here, or sorry, not a cucumber. All this is just so easy. I mean, look at that, guys. This is like, it's like effortless, and you got your nice chunks there. This is crazy. And then if you want to just switch it out, just simply unscrew this, take this out. Nothing difficult. Open that up. Let's try some different ones. So these ones, I think these are like a crinkle cut one or whatever. So let's give that a shot. Sorry, this is gonna be a little bit longer video, but I'm a little excited to try all these out. This thing is finally one of those things that you see that actually works really good. So we've tried those, we've tried that. Let's give this one a shot here. I'm not sure what this one's gonna do. Okay, here we go. Oh, cool. Check that out. Look at that. It does this sweet little like yeah, like a crinkle cut thing. So if you could do like potatoes, do like crinkle cut like potato slices. That's really cool. I'm gonna throw some, heck, let's just do some, got some cabbage here. Oops. So like I said, this table is a little porous, so the suction doesn't hold the entire time, but that is to be expected. I was a little surprised that it held at all. Oh wow, this thing is just, I am just so impressed with this thing. Look at that. That is Really cool. It's pretty much effortless though too. This is like really easy to do. This is not a difficult thing. I've already shredded this much. It's just crazy. Let's switch out another one. So you can just hold this handle here and unscrew it like that. Done. Push that through. There we go. All right, let's pop these out. Boom, boom. So the crinkle cut one's done. That was super cool. Not sure what this one, I think this one might be for the nuts. Let's give it a shot on here. All right. So the only thing, the instructions weren't super clear about exactly what all these were for. So I'm just testing them out. If I had one complaint about this, it would just be like, it didn't really specify specifically, but that is very minor. I'm gonna throw a couple of, we got some cashews, some almonds in here and stuff like that. Let's just do the whole deal right there. I can put my little bowl under there and here we go. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Look at that. Oops, wrong camera. Alrighty. There we go. Look at this. Finely chopped our almonds. Effortless. Let's go. We got one more blade to try out, so let's do that. Look how easy this is to switch out. And when I wash this, guys, it's no problem at all to clean this. It's so easy. You can just pop these out and just rinse them off, basically. It's yeah, a lot easier than the other one. This plastic is nice. Just everything about this is really cool. All right, here we got the slicing one here. So watch out. These have some gnarly blades on there, so just be really careful when you're doing this. So you don't want to cut yourself. Pop those in. It's so easy. It's so quick to switch out. It's pretty amazing there. Okay, what do we do? Let's we got our cabbage. Let's do a little bit of everything, shall we? All right, so pop that in, reset our suction, and here we go. So we're doing nice slices. You want like potatoes or something like that. Like maybe you're doing, I like to make, what is it? Scalloped potatoes, but it's hard when I'm cutting it to get them all the same thickness. So it's, you know, cooks uniformly. Check this out. Look at that. Like nice, perfect slices. So you're doing like, yeah, this is just crazy how good this thing works. Throw some carrots in here. I mean, I don't want to really stop. This thing is just so much fun, really. And it just like, everything just kind of kicks out right here. So you have a bowl right there. It's good to go. Let's do some, let's do some more cabbage. Why not? Make a little salad here. Look at this. Like one finger. I'm doing one finger. This thing is not difficult. This is so much easier than the old shredder. I will never go back to old shredder. Guys, I highly recommend this thing. This is amazing. It's super easy to clean. It cuts effortlessly. It's a lot safer. Your knuckles aren't exposed or anything like that. It comes with all these different little blades you can put in there. It's small and compact. It's about the same size as my other one, maybe a little bit. It's going to take up a little bit more room for store or in my cupboard, but well worth it. Like, look at this thing. Just pop that off. Take off your thing. Dun, dun, dun. And we can just go throw this in the sink real quick. It takes a couple seconds to wash it. Look at that. Everything is really well thought out. Seems like it's fairly durable. These are all like solid pieces, so it seems like it's going to last a long time, guys. I highly recommend this. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.